So you probably can't hear me, but we sit right behind the glass right there, over there. And for some reason it just broke for no reason. So we have What's up, everybody? Arty84 here, Wicked Explorers, coming to you live from, or in front of, the TD Bank Garden here in Boston, Massachusetts. Today is Game 6 of the Bruins' first round playoffs versus Carolina Hurricanes. They're currently down 3-2. So if they lose today, they're done. If they win, they go back to Carolina on Saturday, I believe, for Game 7. But this could be Patrice Bergeron's last game ever. Or if it's a Bruin, and a couple other players too, because something might get shaken up for the end of the year. So let's meet up with Eric the comedian and go check out. We took a little shortcut. If you're coming from Charlestown or anywhere in that area, you can cross the locks if they're open. Better than going over that bridge over there. It's a little bit shorter of a walk. It's a beautiful day today. But problems with that is sometimes you'll get to the locks and realize that they're closed, and then you have to walk all around. So it doubles your walk. So something to keep in mind. But we're going to go get a beer right now. Then we're going to meet up with Eric the comedian and either see a very nice game today or a very disappointing end to a season. So either or, it's going to be an adventure. There you go. So you probably can't hear me, but we sit right behind the glass right there, over there. And for some reason it just broke for no reason. So we have to stand in front of the glass instead of sit behind the glass. So that's what we're going to do for the rest of the game here. 0-0. So the Bruins did this good. They upgraded us to nice section, so they made up for the fact that the bathroom. Can't complain. Why is the men's room line longer than the women's room line here? This is unbelievable. They need more bathroom stands. So we got better seats, but there's less bathrooms by load section. So I'm actually walking back up to the balcony to see if I get a quicker shot at a bathroom. I guess the bathrooms seem to be bigger on the balcony for some reason. I don't know. But the lines are ridiculous. There's probably 100 people in line to go to the men's room. So maybe about 5 minutes before the third period starts. So I'm just going to take a walk. But hey, thanks for the Bruins for upgrading us to give us good seats. You know, the glass situation, I think was probably not a big deal, but safety reasons, they want to be cautious. I'm cool with that. I would have been fine just standing. No, when did you just walked up like 3 stories. All right, let's go find a bathroom. So we have some time to kill. So we're going to check out a new section they added last year that we only been up to. Actually, 2 years ago. We only been up here when Henry was little. So we're going to check it out and then we're going to go back down to our seats. The only time we've been up here is when Henry was little and he was 3 months old. So, check it out, pretty good view. But we're going back down to good seats. Back to the good seats. I can remember where they are. Section 15, I think they put us in. So that's now we're making our way back down to the lounge. So balcony's floor 7, lounge is floor 4, so we got 3 stories down. It's about to start the third period. So, I have to say that was a hell of a game tonight. The Bruins won 5-2. They forced a game 7 in North Carolina on Saturday, so something to look forward to. Didn't think they were going to actually pull it off, but you know, they made a series of it, so that's good. That's all you can ask. So even if they lose, it is what it is. It wasn't Bergeron's last game, obviously, because they're playing in a couple nights. But we had a good night. Head over to the Seaport afterwards, had a few drinks there at Envoy. If you're ever in Boston, check it out, Envoy. Great rooftop bar, right in the beginning of the Seaport. So it's very walkable, it's very manageable, so you should check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little preview, a little show of the TD Garden for a Bruins game. Leave your comments below. Please subscribe. I know it's a little dark, but walking back to the car. And we'll see you guys later. Toodaloo. Bye.